Hello guys, a new tutorial. I will show you how to install a Debian 10. So first I will show you how to download. Open this link, you will find it on the description of the video, and then click here on MD64 and click, and it start to download. So I will cancel because I have already downloaded, and then I will use virtual box to install Debian 10, but you can follow the same step. So create new machine, new Debian 10, and next, and for the RAM I will give 4 GB. Dynamic allocation. For the disk I will give 32 for example, and create, and then double click and give the ISO image. So this is the ISO image for Debian 10, and start, and now it will boot to Debian. So graphical install and enter. Select language, English, continue. Select your location, choose your location and continue. Choose keyboard. I prefer the keyboard French, but choose which you need. Configure the network, host name for example empty software, and continue. Domain name I don't have, so continue. And root password, I will give the password and re-enter the password here to verify, and continue. Full name for the new user, Turkey the user, continue. Choose a password for the user and re-enter and continue. Configure the clock, select your time zone and continue. Detect disk and partition disk, please wait. Okay, guided use enter disk and continue. Continue. Separate home, var and temp partition and continue. Also continue, and yes to write the change to the disk, and it start now to partition for the disk. Scan another CD or DVD now and continue. Configure the package manager, choose which you need and continue. Okay, debian.debian.org. HTTP proxy I don't have, so continue. Okay, this choice can be later modified by running the package. So participate on the package usage survey now and continue. Okay, select which you want to install, KDE Plasma, GNOME or XFCE. So I don't need, I will choose Mate for example and continue. Install the group bootloader, yes, and continue. And choose this and continue. And continue. Installation is complete and it will reboot now. So login, we can log in with the root. And login. So this is Debian 10. And waiting. So this is the application. my terminal, place system, and this is the terminal. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.